Now, here we're going to explain how the boat is working, or let me say how the boat is functioning. So, like I've said earlier on, any anything here, whenever you see something like get started, it shows that the person is using boat. So now we are getting started, and here we are going to tell you how to get started by adding all information that we just learned. So when we get started, it's going to you're going to see the message. Once the message get delivered, it's going to pop us a message that we're going to follow, and immediately we do that, we'll be able to, you see. Now here, now this is, hey Owokwetu, welcome to Oro chatfuel tutorial. I'll be teaching you how to make your home boat without stressing yourself and blah 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 blah. Now, do you want to learn or no? Thanks. Because I want to learn, I'll click on yes, I want to learn. When I click on yes, I want to learn, it take me to the next step, which is subscribing me to a sequence. Hopefully you make a good step to learn boat creation. We will be sending you the tutorial on a daily basis. So now the video supposed to come here. The video supposed to come here, but seems the video size is bigger. So which, because we just use any video, the video size is bigger, which I would like to correct before doing the next test. So now here, hope you enjoyed the first video. Do you want to continue watching? No, which is the same thing as I don't want to learn, that I'm talking about earlier. You just said you don't want to learn how to create a boat. So this is what comes immediately. This is the typing that we added to it the other time. Now, do you want to learn? Okay, do you still want to learn boat creation? If I say yes, learning boat creation has helped many youth to function well in creating. So now let's assume that I say yes. It's taking me back to the first one. Hope that you will make a good effort to learn. So now we'll be sending you the tutorial on a daily basis for the next 30 days. So now that is how our boat is functioning. From here, you'll be able to understand how the boat is functioning and how the boat are not working well. So I'll send you this Facebook link now, so you too yourself can test it out from your side. You to know how it works and how it's not working. So thank you for watching. Thank you for checking on how Thank you for checking on how this boat is working. So in the next video, which we'll be doing in some hours time, we'll teach you how to add some other flavor into your boat rather than just text, text, text. We're going to teach you how to connect the boat to your blog, to any feed that you want to add, probably to Google search, that anybody that key in a word will automatically search for such word from Google search. So like we said, thank you for watching. We really appreciate your time. Subscribe, ask questions, and don't hesitate to give a trial. With this video, you can go on to chatfuel.com and start learning something. Learn as you watch. With this,